Hey guys, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, we'll be comparing Wix and Shopify to see which e-commerce web builder is best for you. As many of you probably know, Shopify started as an e-commerce platform, whereas Wix initially did not support e-commerce when they launched back in 2006. However, a lot of people believe that Shopify is better simply because of the origins of both companies. I will admit that Shopify has been doing it longer, but Wix has truly held their own when it comes to e-commerce, and there's no longer an obvious distinguishable difference for which platform is actually better. It really does just come down to which you would prefer to use. In this video, we'll be covering the main differences so you can make an educated decision for which e-commerce web builder is best for you. Since both offer really good e-commerce plans, we'll be comparing these web builders by ease of use, apps, flexibility, SEO, support, and price. But before we get into the video, I do want to mention that we are trying to get as many subscribers as possible by the end of the year. I set a goal for 5,000 subscribers, and even though we haven't quite hit that goal at the time of recording this video, I do believe we may have hit it by the time this video actually goes up. But if you are new around here, or you've been around for a while, I want to challenge you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It would really help out a lot. But let's go ahead and get started with the first comparison, which is ease of use. As you are probably aware, Wix is a drag and drop editor that is very simple to use. As Ashley Fothergill said in her video, if you can edit a Word document, then you can edit a Wix template. I completely agree with this. Wix is very simple to understand, especially if you are newer to the platform. Whereas Shopify, getting started can be a lot harder, especially if you would not consider yourself tech savvy. Both have endless amounts of tutorials that you can watch to achieve your goals, but Wix is just generally easier to understand when you're first getting started. If you compare the dashboard for both Wix and Shopify, Wix's dashboard for the sites are much more intuitive than Shopify's, where it may be harder to navigate if you are not familiar with it. So this point has to go to Wix. Now let's talk about apps. Both have extensive libraries for apps that can easily add more functionality to your sites. Both have apps for boosting e-commerce and adding different sales channels like Amazon, affiliate marketing, and even dropshipping. I will say that for Shopify, the apps are more centered around e-commerce, whereas Wix's extensive library are for e-commerce and for creating higher quality websites. Plus, depending on the type of website that you are trying to build, apps may not even be required with Wix. When making websites with Wix, I rarely ever have to use an app. So this point, we'll be going to Wix. When comparing the flexibility of websites, we are typically referring to how far you can push the designs on the platforms. Unlike Wix, Shopify allows you to add custom HTML and CSS to the sites to change the designs. However, with Wix's Velo, you can add custom JavaScript code to add more functionality, and some of that can even have some HTML and CSS properties to accomplish something specific. Also, with Wix, you have hundreds of templates to choose from, all of which are completely free to use. And if you want to design your own site, then you have the ability to do that as well. With Shopify, you only have a handful of free templates. Now, these templates are very basic and is not actually recommended to use if you are a serious e-commerce website. That means you're only left to purchase one of Shopify's premium templates that only adds to the final cost. I would also like to mention that if you know what you're doing in Wix, you can create your own custom shop and product pages that makes your site look even more professional. Having the freedom to create a custom experience without the need of a template or having to know a lot of code gives Wix the upper hand. Because of this, I will have to give another point to Wix. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and this controls how your website ranks in search engines like Google. It is obviously really important to make sure that your websites are ranking higher in order to drive more sales. For SEO, both Wix and Shopify allow you to add SEO to the products and the pages on your website. The only difference I was actually able to find was that with Shopify, you can create a multilingual website with multilingual SEO. This is a paid app that does not come default in Shopify's platform. I do not completely see this as a feature that every business would need, especially if you're just starting out, so I will give this point to both Wix and Shopify. Support is very important when talking about websites. If something goes wrong, then you would need to be able to get the right people to fix the issue as soon as possible. The good news is that both offer high quality support 24/7 via chat, email, and phone. Although, something that I have heard is that if you aren't on a paid plan with Shopify, then the support that you get will be limited. So if you are just trying to learn the platform before making your decision, then you are better off using the forums or tutorials. However, from a normal support standpoint, both offer high quality support for those running professional websites with their services, so I will give both a point for support. Now let's talk about price for each service. Wix starts at $23 a month for their e-commerce plan, while Shopify starts at $29 a month. These are both the most basic e-commerce plans available at both companies. However, with Shopify's basic plan, you are missing some of the fundamental features that may be required on some of your sites. If you want gift cards, reports, and even professional shipping rates, then you will need to upgrade to one of their more premium plans. I will mention that Wix does not offer gift cards by default, but there is an app for that you can use. Not only are the plans cheaper with Wix, but you also get tons of professional templates for free. However, the professional templates at Shopify range from $150 to $350. So if you look at this chart, you will see the overall price is much cheaper to start on Wix than it is on Shopify. Because of this and the overall value that Wix provides you with, I have to give another point to Wix. In conclusion, Wix is a much better option when thinking about creating an online store. If not just for the price, you also get the customization options that are unmatched with Shopify. I've heard tons of professionals say that they would choose Wix over Shopify because of the creative freedom and price difference. Although Shopify may have been the better option at one point in time, Wix has entered the race for one of the best e-commerce platforms. I will say that if you're wanting an e-commerce store and you don't want a high quality blog or any other typical features that websites typically have, then Shopify may be the better option. Since Shopify was made for e-commerce, they do seem to have more e-commerce features, payment options, and some more in-depth apps that may help you sell more products. But this all comes with a price. But that basically wraps it up for the video today. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on Wix and Shopify. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more Wix content coming out really soon. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you all in the next one.